Tata. Bobo.
Papa.
The world is a stage. We come here, everybody comes in, does their own, perform their own roles and leave. We're like actors. We mount the stage, perform our assigned roles, and we leave. One thing you must do is to always focus and make sure you fight to win all the time.
Papa, why they tell us all this thing?
Tata, when you have children as a parent, it's your duty to tell them about the ups and downs of life so that they don't get stranded on their ways in life.
Yes.
Papa, why be say everybody for this village hate you and your family? Not just few people like us.
Bobo, one with God is majority. Once you have God and you have the truth, nobody can defeat you. They hate me, some of them hate me because I tell them the truth. Yes. And others too, out of jealousy. They are jealous because of the kind of landed properties that I have. You know, but when my father was alive, he had a lot of them. So the only son, when he died, I had to get all those things. I inherited them. So people are jealous about it.
And wickedness be that too.
Yes. And they cannot stop in their wickedness. But one thing is right. Always love your neighbors. Don't hate them. So that when you take revenge, you do it justly and rightly. Okay? Justly.
Food is ready! Everybody come and eat. Hey! This is your face like this. What is it? Come. If you see what I prepared, you know your favorite.
Papa, we are good.
Eba, are you looking for something?
Good afternoon, my brother. Sorry, I am interested in this land. I don't know. Do you know who owns it?
The land belongs to Mazi Okolo. And I don't think that Mazi Okolo wants to sell this land.
Okay, don't worry. Let me worry about that. And I believe Mazi Okolo loves money. Nobody in this earth does not like money. He likes money. Meanwhile, what I want you to do for me, can you show me his house? Allow me to talk to him.
Okay, I'm heading to somewhere. Just follow this road. Once you get to that road, ask anybody Mazi Okolo. He's a well-known man.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
My loyal and faithful people.
Honorable.
You all know that I'm going back to the house to represent you once again.
Honorable Akam.
Yes.
You know, this one doesn't need this kind of elaborate meeting. We know what to do at the right time. You can always count on us to give you the support that you desire from your kinsmen.
That's good. I trust all of you. And this is why I always come back for your support.
Oh, you did.
And of course, you know that I pay handsomely for it.
Exactly.
Honorable, in fact,
yes.
you are doing well. And when a man does well, he should be praised. Now you biko oka, now you biko akamejewego, now you biko, now you biko akamejewego, now you biko oka, now you biko
Mr. Lucas. Yes, Mr. Lucas. That is where I'm standing concerning the land.
This money we are talking about is a huge amount of money. It will help you and your family.
Mr. Lucas, everything is not about money. This land is so close to my heart to part with.
10 million naira is a huge amount of money. And this your land is so important to those who need it.
10 million. Everything is not about money. This land is a crown inheritance from my father. And it means a lot to me.
I believe you're in this country, right?
What do you mean I'm in this country? No, I'm in China. I'm in this country. Everything is not about money. Mr. Lucas.
Mazokoro, take this offer. Take this offer. I'm begging you now. Because if you don't take it, those who need this land, they might go the other way around.
Over my dead body.
Mazokoro, live over your dead body. Take this offer.
Let's end this discussion now. Please, let's end it. Because we are not going to make any headway at all.
It's alright. No problem. It's nice to meet you.
Bye.
You will hear from us. You will hear from us.
I greet
Ozoma, I have always known and I have always admired you, even now.
That was before you disappointed me.
When are you going to forgive me about something that happened between us far in the past? Eh? In fact, if I have my way, how I wish I just took you away from Azund.
Ozoka, wishes are not horses. Okay? Ozoma belongs to another.
But I still love you, Ozom. Yes, even now. If I have my way, I will buy you away from Azundo. Eh? Only that I cannot take back the hand of the clock.
Thank God you know that. But anyway, nothing is impossible. If God says we are going to be together again, who am I? It will be possible.
Ozom, the oil is already spilled and wasted. We just long and desire, but we can no longer touch the apple.
It is well. Let me run along before they begin to work their tongues. See.
Ozom, Ozomo, nwanyị ọma.
Take this one, keep this one.
Thank you.
Hey, my husband. Who is that? Try and consider that 10 million. Do you know what 10 million naira would do for us in this family? Man, why? Eh? Why don't you just give away the land? Why are you gonna allow him? Look at that.
No, you don't understand. If he asked for another land, I would have given. But he insisted on that Oni land. I know I cannot. See, if somebody gives you 10 million now, what are you going to be doing with it?
What did you say?
10 million they give to you, what will you do with it?
10 million naira. Ha! 10 million is big, oh. 10 million, if I get 10 million naira now, I know what I'll do with it.
No.
In a message, give my 10 million.
You are looking at 10 million for that land now. Do you know how much that land is worth in the next 10 years? See, all these things I'm doing for your children, oh. We are not poor as to be asking for food, are we?
My husband, we are not poor to be asking for food, I know. But somehow we are poor. We are poor. We don't have motor car. Like Honorable Akam. Do we have car?
So motor car is your problem, Abi?
Also.
All right. See, is motor car peace? Huh? Is motor car peace? We may not have a car, but we are comfortable, are we not?
Yeah. I'm comfortable, but 10 million now. Oburibu, apokwa 10 million oburibu. My wife go.
No. Leave this thing. It will not work. Leave it. Who's sending me this text?
Who is that person?
This number is not registered on my phone.
Where?
Take the offer for your land, or we will take it anyway.
Who is that person?
I don't know this person though. Maybe that stranger that came to ask for the land though. He says the government needs the land for development.
So, see, in as much as I want you to give away the land, nke government by fire by force. I thought it's supposed to be a thing of choice.
Over my dead body will anybody, be it government or demons or Satan, take that land from me. That land is a crown inheritance from my father. That's the land that Tata and Bobo will share. That's what they want. Over my dead. Now, it will never happen.
But them, my husband, these children, they are still small. You understand? You can buy another one next time. 10 million naira.
Shut up!
I'm speaking for you.
Shut up. Once you see money, women, your mouth will be going like Obaka. 10 million.
Oh, what 10 million? Hey, check it.
Shut up.
That was why I invited you. And I'm happy that you found time to come. Just like other people came to. Yes. Just give me a minute.
Honorable if he doesn't do that, he's not honorable.
Yes.
All the tradition.
That's a tradition.
Honorable guy.
Yeah, so if you do what you promise, more of this will yes, so that is it.
Thank you. Honorable.
Yes, my dear.
We have heard you. And we have equally seen how generous your hands are. And we have equally seen how this your generosity is continuously flowing from your hands into our own hands. And it is our promise that you are not going to be disappointed by us. Exactly. Is it not so?
That is it. Yes. And again, you know that I don't eat alone.
Of course. We are witnesses.
Because if you eat alone, you cannot discuss the taste of the food with your friends.
That's true. You can't compare. No.
Yes. My policy is not to yes. So, in the light of that, I have prepared some ngwongwo na ngwongwo eji enyere ndụ aka.
As usual.
Yes. So I would want you to join me now to the guest room Ka anyị tụọ ndụ mmanụ. Ka anyị kụọ ngaji n'eze. Ka anyị tụọ ndụ mmanụ. Yes. Ndụ adịrị abụọ. Onwe ihe eji onwe ya mba. Is that what he said?
Yes, sir. He said if you want to come and see him, you should come and see him in his house.
Well, I think he's right. Because that's what politics is all about. Politicians go to see the electorates to convince them of their votes. So, I'll go and see him.
No, Chia, that man no get sense at all. So all the money where you go share give elders now, you no go follow collect them.
He will not collect because nothing comes from nothing. Well done, boys.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's well.
Thank you.
Well done. Yes.
Hey, Master, why have you refused to stay here? How come? Ah, but correct.
My wife, forget about those people. You see all these elders? They are just running about Honorable Okam, collecting bribes and at the flip of his finger. They are there. They have sold their conscience. Yes.
Wow. Where did I go?
No! Please.
Papa!
Honorable.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
My children, take heart and be strong. It is only God who knows the perpetrators of this despicable act, and it is only Him who can judge them. I am here to sympathize with you and also to announce a scholarship for you up to Mahadum.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. And to kickstart this philanthropic gesture, here is 500,000 pium. For these children.
That's very much like
it.
Thank you for what you've done for them.
No, Goro was my kinsman. And it will be wickedness on my part to abandon his children at a time like this. Yes. So my children, take heart. I'm running to another meeting now.
Yes, let us
So I'm going to see you later.
Let's go.
Yes, take heart, my dear. Take heart.
Honorable.
Yes. Thank you for your support.
Honorable, you already have our support. You always have it.
Always. Good.
All the same, you have done very well for the children.
Oh, good. I'm running to somewhere for a meeting now. So we see in the evening. Okay? Yes.
Honorable, let me use this opportunity to thank you for what you did for those children. That was great. That was wonderful.
Well, it's called political sagacity and psychological manipulation. Yes. So see you in the evening. Yes.
It's all right.
Yes.
Go well.
Yeah, we see you in the evening.
Okay.
All right.
Are you still crying? Eh? Eh? See, I'm going to the market to buy foodstuffs for the house. Now, no go. That 500,000 honorable gave to you, what did you say I should do with it?
Send them back.
Eh? 500,000? Do you know what 500,000 would do for you?
No, she do anything. Can the 500,000 buy back our father? Our lovely mother. I beg, send them back to the sender.
Okay. Okay. So let me go to the market now.
Please, if you have money, buy fruit for us.
Fruit. I'll buy fruits for you, but make sure you eat before I come back, okay? Alright.
Papa, Mama, so now here una day, leave us for this world, may we dey suffer. Papa, you promise us say nothing go happen to you. You no tell us say na like this world day. You no tell us say this world wicked. I want to take fights back. I want to survive. Now we could go take care of us. You know, say we never strong. Those people strong pass us. And you want me to fight them? What do you want me to do? Una leave us here, come out. Where una go? Why una leave us here, come out? Where una want me to dey? Papa, Mama, who go come revenge you na death now? Oblog if I guy no ba. Oblog if Papa, I want me to no say God they fight for the people where they oppressed.
My children, don't be afraid. We will be with you to avenge our death. Those who killed us will not go unpunished. We will lead you to them one after the other to punish them.
We will enter into you and possess you to be able to fight through the wars.
Come together. Hold yourself. come and embrace us. Come.
But I'm not seeing any of his bodyguards.
He is the one who invited us. But if for any reason he knew he will not be at home when we will come, he would have called me on phone so that we discuss it, either to postpone the engagement or to cancel it outright.
Honorable! Honorable! Honorable, we are here! Oh, I told you. Hey, I know him now. Very well. Chai, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes.
Honorable.
Well done.
Thank you.
Welcome, my people.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for the delay because
it's
all right. No, don't worry.
The important thing is that you are here now with us.
Exactly.
You know, my security boys are not here, and my wife and children live in the city.
No, don't worry about it.
Everywhere is deserted.
We know all those things. We are not outsiders, you know. I think we should go straight to the reason we are here today.
Oh, good. I invited you so that I will disclose my plans for the final takeover. Yes.
Honorable.
Yes.
I must tell you, the whole of this community, they are all singing one song. And that song is what you did for those children in Okuru's condolence visit.
Yes.
It was wonderful.
Yes. Honestly, what I handed out that day was a political carrot of 500,000 naira. Yes, an educational scholarship, just to build a strong mindset of the electorate.
Yes.
Yes. That is it. And for both of you who have played vital roles, I have fat rewards for you.
Thank you.
You will get political leadership in the community.
Oh no, you have scratched me. You have scratched me where it itches me.
Yes, no, rise. You are an elder. You are an elder in this community. So you can kneel for me.
You
Yes.
know what people say. If you see somebody who is bigger than you are,
Yes.
you carry his bag. So thank you very much for that gesture.
So just give me 1 minute.
It's all right.
Come see me.
I can prophesy what he's going to do.
Exactly.
The usual thing.
Since you will not be tired of giving us, we will never be tired of telling you thank you.
Let's just go and keep this envelope. We are not going home.
Yes.
After all, here is our place.
Oh, yeah, area.
Now you biko, amejabego. Now you biko, amejabego. Now you biko, amejabego. Now you biko.
Lack of money is the root of all evil. Look at them. Chineke mere unu masị ma mekwere mụ.
That's good.
My children, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
Let us move fast before we meet other people who will be more inquisitive than these children. You see how they are looking at our hand at this envelope. They are looking at our hand. Let's look. They are looking at us.
What nonsense. What foolishness. Who spits out sugar from his mouth these days? Who does that? I say, no wonder the Bible talks about the heart of children and foolishness. How can someone reject 500,000 naira? 500! In this country, this time, this age. And I need to stop those children. I need to stop this. I need to stop these children. I need to stop. 500,000 naira. How can you get 500,000 naira? How?
So, anyway, go there now. Go there, only you. Tell us we no need the money, make it return up. Make it take them back, we no want them. Why you want only me make I want only you because no say if you just come, you go no say person don't arrive. Make it no be like say we they do small children thing. Just go there, tell us say Oga, we don't need this your blood money. Don't come fly if you don't want collector. No carry and come back up because if you carry and come back now, I don't know what thing that if you do with them. I will not need them. So go give them money, yeah? Oh wow. Make I go there with other things. But why you no want follow me? You know say if we two now, if we go there now, thing will come look like saying they do small picking things. Oh wow, make I go. It just be like actual people things. Yeah. You see no carry and come back. I know. Make I go there arrange some things. No problem.
Ned, you are the government.
Mazoka, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you?
Mazoka, I am not fine. Please, did you see those children of Okoro along the way? Did you pass them?
I saw them, but not along this road. I saw them along Ozi Road. What is the matter that you are rushing like this after them?
Hey, Mazi, those children want to kill me. Those children want to kill me. Those children, they are trying to do something foolish.
Wait, Neji. What is that foolish thing that they want to do that makes you run like this?
Do you remember that money that Honorable Okam gave to them the day he came for Kosi visit?
That one, 500,000 now.
Yeah. These children, they want to return that money. They want to return that money to Honorable Okam, Masi.
Neji, it's a lie. How can they return it? That is the highest point of foolishness now.
Ifugonia, that is why I am running to stop them. I want to go and stop them. I want to hurry to stop them.
In that case, it's not a matter of hurrying. You have to run fast and then overtake them before they complete that foolishness you are talking about.
Abi?
It's not a matter of Abi, run! Run more than your legs can carry you. They don't follow. Returning 500,000. Oh. Let them return it through me now.
Bye. Who is there?
Hey, Okoro's son, eh? Yes, sir. Hey, how lucky I am today that even in your morning period, you still found time to visit me.
Yes.
Oh, that's very good of you, my dear. Sure, you're welcome.
I returned the money. Yes, because you don't want your blood money.
And you call my money blood money?
Of course, dear Wego.
Who gave you that audacity?
We gave ourselves the audacity.
Kato, look. Are you sure you're talking to me? Eh? Are you talking to me?
Yes.
And you know the person you are talking to? Okam of that 8th Battalion, who displayed the height of his military gallantry on the 3rd of March 1968 at Abagana sector. Is that the man you are talking to?
Yes.
Eh? Talking to me?
These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run, but you cannot hide. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot hide away from them.
This way, Chakwe. This way, Chakwe.
Sorry.
This way, Chakwe.
Sorry.
Auntie, leave that in. We never even start anything.
You never even start, Abi? See, I feel for the two of you. Eh? Listen, I don't want to die like my sister did, though, and the husband. I don't want them to come here and kill me like they did to my sister and husband.
If they want, they should kill you. Even us. We are not afraid of death, though. It's even better they kill us. I get Jamie to our parents in our upland.
No, kwa. So you want to die? Eh?
Why are we still alive now? When our mama and papa know dead. What will they live they do?
See. I'm gonna go call God. Me, I don't want to die. So I'll come and be living. You don't want to stay alive, so you can stay while I go inside, pack my things, and leave.
Auntie, do it you like. Do it you want to do. You hear what you talk now? If you want go. We will not fear to die.
If I won't go, make I go.
Go now. Do anything you want die.
Make I do anything what I want to. Make I do anything what I want to. Now what they tell me that? Chimo. They go how? Chimo. Tata, let me know. Chimo.
What is all this? Why are these boys delaying like this? Eh? Anyway, maybe they have murdered the children and they are trying to dispose of their remains. Eh? Oh, maybe that. What's the matter with all of you? Why are you all looking like this? What's the meaning of this? Eh?
Oga, wahala dey o.
What is he talking about?
They have disgraced us.
Who disgraced you? Who?
When I don't shoot, they send us to go manhandle.
What?
Oga, they have manhandled us.
Who manhandled you?
Eh? Oga, they beat us mercilessly and kidnapped our dresses.
What are you people talking about? What are you talking about? This is so shameful.
Oga, they feel they follow us on this side though.
Go. Eh? Oh, Kambabla also. Mbano. I cannot run for them. Those who talk with Mbano. It's not possible. But let me just go and ease myself. Me is I Okam of 38 battalion. Mbano. Let me ease myself. It's not possible.
Bobo? Tata? Bobo? Bobo, Tata, open the door. It's me. It's Nate. Open the door. Yes, open the door. Anything? What is anything? Eh? You asking me anything? What is it? I saw those boys running along the road on boxers. What is going on?
Okay. They forget to take their dresses after we taught them small lessons.
Small lessons?
Tonto.
Who are the ones shouting?
I think they shout now. They shout like small picking. What they do?
What did you do to them that made them run like madmen?
We not done anything. Tata, did we do anything? No, we're not fit.
You know fit? You know fit? Do you know those boys can go, regroup, and come for you people? Are you aware of that?
Auntie, car will not get tail. Now God, they pursue flies for us. Bam. You better make you they go before they go come kill you.
You no need talk am. You hear me? Because this person where they see so now ghost. And they go carry my bag. Make una stay. Now go ahead so. Hey!
Gentlemen, I believe you are sorry because I also had an excruciating experience with them. If I did not train with Major William at Madonna 1 during the war, my story would have been worse than yours. But the way it is now, what do we do?
Chief.
Yeah.
We go plan for them.
Plan for them. Plan for them. Good. Are we on the same page? Do we plan for them?
Yes, Chief.
Good. In that case, we pay them a visit. Is that okay by you? Are we on the same page?
Yes, Chief.
Good. This meeting is over.
What a world with wicked people everywhere. They are busy collecting what does not belong to them by fire, by force.
Thank you very much. Hi. I thank God so much that I met you here, whereas will not be around to disturb us.
Maka again, why are you thanking God?
Because Azundo is not around. By the way, it's not Azundo that I want to see. It is you.
Oh. Is this well at all? So why have you come to see me?
To tell you the truth, Ozuma, I have been missing you. So I decided to come around and see you and look at your face.
You have been missing me.
Of course.
Married woman like me. Hey! Mazuzoka. Have you forgotten I'm a married woman? Eh? Have you forgotten I'm married to your friend? Mazazundo. See, Biko, nothing will come in between us. It's never possible. Whatever that comes in between us is a big taboo, and you know that.
I understand what you are talking about. Eh? There is nothing bad about somebody, hoping for what he desires. Uzuma, I desire you. That's the truth, I desire you.
Are you planning of killing my husband?
Tofiakwa, am I a murderer? Why should I do that? But Uzuma, let me just confess this. The way I love you, this my love for you, is trying to scatter my life. I can't help myself again. Please help me.
Hey!
It's not a loving matter. Help me, Uzuma.
Uzuma. The love want to scatter your life. Life will get scatter, get your scatter again. Masuzoka, Biko.
Pity me now.
Pity you what? I am married. Don't want me into trouble. We'll say any like love in corner because we'll see a bar. Drop it here. Please, I am married to my husband. We don't have anything in common. Biko! 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 Biko!
But I can't help myself. Help me now.
Help you do what?
Help me now.
Stop it, oh! Stop it!
Also, help me now.
Am I the only one in this village?
Remember those days now. Hi!
Bobo. Tata. Hey, Nsogbu. Una chọrọ ịpụta ọkụ ya? Nsogbu. I am leaving. Because I will not lose my husband because of you. Osunu na apụtọrọ. Anọkwa m o. Mama otu ụmụazị egbu ha. Ụnọdụ ebe ahụ.
It's a good one from Italy.
Why should two children bring this kind of calamity upon themselves?
Foolishness. Stupidity. I even heard that these children went to give back to Honorable the money he gave to them.
And beating up mercilessly.
You see, their stupidity can only help the case and desire of Honorable.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
You know that he has been desiring that land of Mazi Okoro at Uziyi before he died now.
Really?
Yes. You know, it was even before those people killed Mazi Okoro. And these children, if they continue to annoy Mazi Okam, and he decides to take them out of the way, he's going to make it even easier for him to take over the land. Don't say I didn't tell you.
I pray that the matter should not escalate to that point.
Me too.
But when anytime you mention Honorable Okam, what comes to my brain is that man knows how to share palliatives.
I know that's where you were going to. This reminds me, he gave me some money to share among the elders for as a kind of handshake for their political support.
Really?
Will I say for our political support?
Okay. I hope my own is included.
Look at you, your eyes are now red. Your eyes are now red, that is money. Anyway, it is a common adage that he who works must eat.
It's biblical too.
And also a common parable in our place that the animal that goes down to the stream first thing in the morning will take the first gulp of clean waters.
Exactly.
In other words, you and I will take our own share before sharing to the other elder.
It's good to support
any man that knows how to appreciate his supporters.
And Honorable Okro is good at that. He knows how best to do that. Let me come.
Honorable. A man is good. This is good mother.
Wego. 300,000. I've already taken my own. You see, 1,000, 300,000.
Hey, this is good. This is good. God should continue to bless this honorable for us.
He said,
his enemies will not see him.
He said,
this is good.
So, that is how this operation will be carried out. We all need to know how to go about this operation this time.
So now to delete them, pata.
No choice. We need to do exactly as Oga has said.
But we have to be very careful with those little things. I have not forgotten what they did to us the last time.
What are you saying?
Now well done. Now well done.
What are you doing here?
Ask her.
Well, it's even better as both of you are here because we are about planning to come and kill you both.
Exactly.
Thank God you are here. You brought yourself here in one accord. That makes it more easier. Boys! Let's attack.
Yes! If you move, you die. If you don't move, you go still die.
Huh?
How corner you? I will walk. Can't stay there before you die. You have to guys squad. Go down. Hey, swear you.
What have you done to them?
Not your brothers.
My brothers? No! They are not my brothers, so now workers we are Obio.
Workers you are Obio. You go join the workers. Come on. Una go meet our mama and papa. And then una dey sure say una go obey the punishment because they go punish you now.
Hello, Max. Max.
No be Max, be this. I see 4 men. We don't die for this place. They lie for ground. Where they move.
You said how many? 4?
I check their phone. I can't see this number. So make a call them. You know them?
4 of them died, eh?
They don't die.
4 people. Where is the place?
They near the road where they pass go stream.
And who are you?
We some people. If you call, you go know.
Wait now.
Different kind of people. I sleep well.
What's going on? What kind of phone call is this, Beacon?
Because you have power, because you have money, you are busy collecting what belongs to the poor.
This is happening in my life.
You are wicked man, you are
is this a
evil.
dream?
If they drag with you, it may be never. You will render the children orphans. They did nothing to you. Why do you took their life? You have taken the land. Why the killing? Obawarabino eberema kwalili. Oginika meregi ijirinara hando. Obawarabino eberema kwalili.
What? Honorable, what happened to them?
I don't know. Somebody called me with Mark's phone number to alert me of the incident. it was the voice of a little child.
Really?
Yes, so when I wanted to know who the caller was, bam! Or drop, I'm sure this is the handiwork of my political enemies.
But then why go for your boys instead of coming straight to you?
Well, you know, they say they use the little chick to lure the hen. But what do you mean by coming for me? A woman one.
Honorable, I'm confused because of this ugly scenario. But what do we do now? I mean, this corpse, this body should be removed from here immediately.
The police must see them first. Not until the police have seen them. I'm going to invite them right away and report them out officially. I can't let this lying low now. Let's go out to the road where my car is parked. I will invite them, yes.
It's okay.
I won't take it lying low.
Hey. Height of wickedness. My people, we have a case of invasion in our hands in this community. Our community has been invaded by some unknown killers. They have just killed 4 members of Honorable Okam's security guard. Hey! Just the same way they killed Maziokuru and his wife. So we need to deliberate on this.
But what do you think we can do? Since those people can kill Honorable Okam's men, who are we before them? We are like ants before them now. If I get make one. Huh?
My elders, we all know that Honorable Okam has been too generous to all of us.
Exactly.
Please, let us support him. Now, he's facing this challenge.
Exactly. You are very correct. Now that you have touched an aspect of his generosity tangentially, let me go straight into a related issue on that very generosity. One of the reasons we call this meeting today is for me to deliver a message of benevolence. In fact, to deliver a kind of generous gift from Mazi Okam to all of us. Let me come. Okay. Hey! Honorable Madu. Honorable Okam.
I'm not why this Madu.
I don't know.
Why? Yeah, that's so sick.
This your own. Hey! This your own. You and I, we have already taken our own now.
Yeah, baby. You even taken your own.
Yes. You know, when he told me about it, I was not expecting it. You know, but I was so happy. And I pray that Chuko Kika should protect Honorable Okam for us.
What we have there is 200,000 each.
Yes.
May God bless this man for me.
Hey.
Hey.
Ndị nwe mmadụ bịanụ. Uzoka ezuru ibe and azụ, please. Yes, it's me or no Okam. Come back, it's me live.
Hi. Mazi Okam.
Come, sit down, please.
Yeah? You decided to appear incognito. You scared daylight out of me.
So who did you think I was?
Honorable.
Who did you think I was? Sit down. Who did you think I was, please?
We thought you were one of those killers.
Not at all. This is just a disguise to protect myself from those killers we are talking about. who have invaded the community. Yes, please relax, relax.
Honestly, Honorable, you are very correct. But let me thank you for the gift you gave to me through Mazu Osoka.
Yes, you don't need to mention. You know it's always in my blood. Yes, and I'm here to tell you people that everybody should be careful because we have been precariously exposed to killers in our community. Imana asị na onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eme gịnị? Eche ndụ ya nche mgbe niile. So we have to watch it diligently. Okay? Yes.
Honorable.
Yes.
I want to condole with you on behalf of those that are here and those that are not here. Please take heart.
It's okay. Thank you very much. The police is on top of the matter. Okay. And I'm sure that they will ravel the mystery very soon. Any moment from now. Yes.
We pray so.
Yes.
But I ask, can police be able to see to all these things?
Well, nothing is impossible. Let them do their job first. Let them do their job first.
Honorable.
Yes.
While the police are doing their work, we ourselves should be doing our own work here within ourselves.
Exactly.
Very important.
Yes, Ochak.
Why are you people looking at the
Hey, you are cheating. You're not supposed to step on this one now. You don't match line now, you don't cheat. When you are not the cheater, when you like to do paper but every time when you just say the win, you go to complain. You wasted the one. This your cheating don't enter your blood though. I never enter anything, I never cheat. If you know the play again, you talk say you know the play. Come and collect now. Every time they win, you go to complain every time. Hey, don't match line, I don't match line. I don't match line. Oh, Pablo, I don't match any line. Now that's I am training
Auntie? Yes. Bobo? Tata? How are you?
Don't clean.
Clean what?
Now, come on from there. Auntie? Auntie, why you don't come back? I just say you don't abandon us. Don't say they fear.
My husband said I should come and stay with you people for some days. Carry my bag, come. Yeah. Bring my... Bring. Did they play with it? Come.
We go bring her
later. Man, don't find my bag.
I don't come on. No, let me go play now. Then I tell you they do it. They walk. Then I tell you they do it. It's a lie. You want to put it. You go come put 2 legs. Because like this. My tools, come on first. Papa! We can come!
Because you have power, because you have money, you are busy collecting what belongs to the poor. You are wicked man, you are evil. If they drag with you, it may be never.
No touch. Lie, don't touch. Let me play my own. Hey, don't touch. I'm not touch anything. I see you. Don't tell me. I don't win you.
Not to go Korea, who you won? So, how have you been since I left?
You know, No be a Sabina. Yes, so let's enjoy life.
I heard the Honorable Okam lost 4 of his dogs. Ezeoku.
That's what we hear.
What happened?
No. I want to know. I die.
Just like that?
You don't see him now.
I heard they were killed.
By who?
I don't know. That was what I heard.
That was also what we heard. And now, you know, say, our parents done the revenge for us. And God done the revenge for them too. How is your uncle husband?
Uncle husband is fine.
Okay. Auntie, what did you buy for us?
What I bought for you is in my bag. Go to my bag.
Hey, no, only one. That one, that one.
Hey! Chineke mere mmasị. What is all this? Huh? How can I find out who is behind all this? At least I can give him some money to leave me alone. Huh? Hey. Anyway, I think I know what to do. Yes, I know what to do.
Because you have power, because you have money, you are busy collecting what belongs to the poor. You are wicked man, you are evil. If they drag with you, it may be never. You will render the children of us.
And see, they enjoy it.
With granuts. Oh, yeah, come sit down and enjoy with me.
Why not? No, sir.
Baba.
Huh?
Tata. You have really been wondering what has really given you the guts and the morals to remain in this village. My husband has asked me to come and get you, and that is why I'm here.
Auntie, no go work. Go to your uncle husband say no go work.
What thing be no go work?
You no go free come out for this house. No go go anywhere.
Wait. Why, Kwana? Why?
We don't leave our papa and mama here. Come out. Okay. Imagine now. You born to begin. If you leave the 2 of them come out to go travel. No. I will never even retaliate if we kill our mama and papa.
Your parents are dead and buried. Eh? How long would you continue to mourn them? I'm asking you. How long? Let's say you're supposed to move on with your lives. You are little children. You need someone to take care of you.
Auntie, don't go. We'll be adults now because our mama and papa don't die. Okay, adults.
Okay. Let me ask you. How do you want to cope in this village?
You will cope now.
You will cope? What of those that killed your parents if they return to come and kill you? Have you ever thought of it?
When they come kill us now, we'll go stay with our mama and papa. And they don't even fit do anything.
Really? Why do you think so?
Because our mama and papa, they with us. They're ready to fight for us. Yes, sir. And they still even they protect us. So they're not fit anything. Look.
Okay.
When the time comes, you run away, don't talk, don't do stuff.
Honorable, what is after you this afternoon?
Igwekan, can't you see I'm in disguise? The cricket is on the run. Something I cannot see is after my life.
I heard about the mysterious death of your bodyguards.
this was a calamity.
Yes, yes, and until now, the police have not been able to find the cause of their deaths.
Okam, the man that gathered the ant-infested firewood deliberately invited the lizard to the feast.
Gwakala, I can't understand though. I can't understand.
You blooded your hands because of greed. And those who are against you are bent on taking that pound of flesh from you.
Igwekala, is there nothing we can do to appease them?
If you are clever, you escape. If not, they must take their vengeance from you.
Igwekala, you are not a small dibia. Your dibialistic juggernauticism has no bounds. I'm sure you can find a way to help me. My political ambition is only beginning to gain stronger expression. Please help me, I don't want to die.
It's not all about money, but the charges brought against you before the gods. Like I said earlier, if you are fast enough, you escape from their vengeance. If not, you must pay for the crime against them.
Politics. These political opponents are always ready to commit atrocities for the sake of power. Well, I know it is a battle of the fittest. Iwekan, God, alarm. Alarm.
What a man sows, let him reap it.
Bobo. Tata. Bobo.
What is going on? Eh? What is going on in this house? Where have they gone to again? What is the meaning of all this? Where are they? Eh? Can you hear? Because these are not the children that I know. Who is beating these drums for these children? Who is beating the drums that these children are dancing onto? Because these are not the kids that I know. These are not my sister's kids. What the man? I just have a meeting.
What a world with wicked people everywhere. They are busy collecting what does not belong to them. By fire, by force.
Mazi. The matter with you, young man? Huh? Why are you looking harassed?
Mazi, is your friend Ezuru.
What about him?
He's dead.
Are you normal? Have you gone bananas? What do you mean he's dead?
Your friend Mazi Ezuru is dead. He was confirmed dead right in his house.
My ancestors say. What do you say happened to my friend?
I really don't know what happened to him, but everyone who saw him said that he was found dead right inside his house. I'll be on my way.
Uzoka. There is trouble in this village. But what am I going to do?
You cannot run, but you cannot hide. Are ready to avenge. You cannot hide away from them. His children are ready to avenge. You cannot run away from their wrath. His children are ready to avenge.
Honorable Okam. Honorable. It's me, Mazo Zoka. Yes. Yes, I'm alone.
Is gone. Now they are out to inflict in return. There was now they're undestructible, and nothing can penetrate them.
Oh.
You thought you have killed them all.
Uzoka, why are you looking so harassed?
Honorable, something bigger than cricket has entered the cricket's living place. My enemies are very close to me. In fact, they are closer to my band.
Then who is after you?
That's the question. I don't know the people who are after me. All I know is that they are very close. They are bent on destroying me.
Uzoka, then we are in the same boat. Because my political enemies are running after me. They want to destroy me and my political career. So what is happening to you?
Honorable, haven't you heard? Ezuru, my friend, is dead.
Ezuru?
Yes.
How did he die, Biko?
They said he was well in the morning. But later in the day, they suddenly found him dead. With finger marks all over his face. Like the ones we saw on your bodyguard faces. Eh? Small children fingers like that.
Uzoka, do you know I'm so afraid? I cannot sleep in the night the way I used to sleep before. And in the daytime, I cannot walk about. Because you don't know who is watching and following you.
But don't you think it is high time that we went and see Bekala for solutions to our problems?
I've gone secretly to see Bekala.
What did he say?
He has no solutions. He even added pepper to eye drop. He made me more afraid with all he said.
Ebube.
Because if the fingerprints found on my bodyguards were the same fingerprints on Ezuru, then we are in for serious trouble.
Do you think, as I suggested before, that we are fighting against the spirit of Maziokuru and his wife?
Mbano, I'm not considering that. Ibekala could have told me. Besides, why should they come after me? Did I kill them? Uzoka, did I kill them? I didn't.
Uzoka. Chai. Honorable, do you have any wine here that can make me drunk?
But why do you want to get drunk intentionally?
To drink and forget my sorrows and check my fears.
Then I guess you need Abukavin. Maybe just give me 1 minute and Abukavin you will have. Hey,
Tata! Where are these children? Where are these children? What is going on? Why have these children decided to remain in this village all alone? Who is really beating these drums for these children? What is going on?
Auntie, good afternoon.
You're so giant. Where are you coming from?
Pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to see the Queen. Pussycat, what have you done? I chased the little rat out of the shoe.
Tata, what is the meaning of this song?
Now the song where all these small children they sing for school.
I ask you again, what is the meaning of this song?
As we come back from market, we come here say Mazezuru don't die.
Who be Mazezuru?
Now one of those men we hate our mama and papa.
We hate your mama and papa? Okay. So what you gonna kill him?
Die kill him. Die carry him. Phew! You know easy.
You say you're not serious, right?
I did serious. Oh. I did even pass you. I did. As you see me like this now. Now serious now. But seriousness they kill me for here. I did serious die. You don't cool. Ah.
Okay.
Hey.
I heard you. Thank you for your information. So, are you hungry? Just come.
No. But I never tell you say I don't change my name now. I'll not be hungry. My name na Tata Okoro Tata. Ha! I go feel leave Tata.
It simply means you want chop. Ha. You want chop.
I want chop.
By the way, where's your brother?
You see they come. You know say it too like play.
You like play, I do.
It too like play.
You too like play. I mean, come check your food.
Pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to see the Queen.
Tata. Come eat your food.
Pussycat, what have you done? I chased the little rat out of the shoe. Pussy.
Wish me, I will wish you. Hold me, I will hold you. Beat me, I will beat it. Ah! Iwe! Mazuzoka. Iwe! I will beat you and you catch me out. Anybody who is planning to catch Mazuzoka is planning to catch the wind. Mazuzoka, I am now the wind. Come and catch me now. Then you quench me, I will quench you.
Wait you. Now drinks Mazo Zoka drinks too.
This is strange. I don't know him with this.
Are you serious?
He is a gentleman and not given to a drunkenness.
Babe, trouble there for different friendships, you.
Hey!
I tell you. Hey!
Yeah, anyway. It is well. I should be going now.
You alright?
Goodbye.
Hey. Get back. Eh? What is Auntie? Where are you going again?
Auntie, any wahala?
Me? Any wahala? We were discussing something yesterday. Have we finished? Oh yeah? Go and sit down. Let's finish so I will know what to do, please.
No need. This is where we talk. No need. I don't tell you before, say we know they come out anywhere. We know they come out. We no go feel leave this house, come out, go anywhere.
Yes, so. We no feel leave our papa and our mama come out. Lie.
If we leave them come out now, they go just so lonely.
Yeah.
We go come stay with them.
Are you okay? Is something wrong with you? Your father and mother are dead and buried.
Now lie. They sit there for this house. And if we leave them come out now, they go they so lonely. Now because now betraying things be that.
Nah. See,
for that side now go come become sad.
See, auntie, just go your house. Tell your uncle husband, see, we no do go anywhere. We no feel leave our papa. We die here.
You die here?
We die here. You no go die here.
I go die here.
We die here.
What do you this thing? Eh? Eh? I see how foolish you have become. Stubborn grasshoppers. What is this thing now? What is your problem?
They drag this matter. No, they drag and we know they come out anywhere.
Because we know
they drag them.
Do you want to destroy your lives? I'm asking you, why do you want to destroy your lives? Why do you want to destroy your lives? Eh? Okay. I can see you've made up your mind. My husband was really expecting me to come back with you people. Well, as it is, I'll go inside, carry my bag and leave. You can remain.
If you come out a bit, help us lock the door. They come and go see our friend.
No mosquito, no ties.
Bye bye.
No, leave her.
Hi! Chineke. Well, so bad. I should lock your house. No problem. We'll see. Don't follow me. Remain in this house.
Mazi, good afternoon.
How are you?
You know they fine.
Why?
We're hungry.
You know they fine. You they hungry. How you see my business? If you are hungry, don't you know what to do? Or where to go and get something to eat?
Oga, we get house, but we don't get what to eat.
Aga, we get house, but we don't get what to eat. Do I look like a food seller to you? Leave this place.
You be our food seller now. You be our, since when you kill our mama and papa, you know now mama and papa they give us food. But as you don't kill as you don't kill them now, well, what you want me to chop? You don't have food. Now you go to give us the food.
Listen very carefully. Before I close my eyes and open it, disappear here.
What's going to happen? What's going to happen if you know?
You will not like what I will do to you now.
Oga, no open eye. You don't do anything. Oga, open eye. Don't be kill our mama, papa. If you try nonsense now, you go collect. You just say you no get sense.
Me go collect.
You go collect what to put us.
Nekwa. Me go collect. Me Mazibe.
Don't try open eye.
Leave this for me.
As you don't collect money, the blood money where they use kill our mama and papa. You too.
You touch that you have killed them all. No, you cannot kill the spirit. This is Judgment Day. You must pay.
Mazuzoka. It is Diochi. I have a message for you.
I hope you are alone.
Yes, I am alone.
Yes. I hope all is well.
Mazuzoka, what we see hanging on the palm tree is too heavy sometimes to say.
That is correct. But the question is, what is it that you have seen that make you come to my house in this manner now?
The death of Ibe.
Ibe! Hey!
I saw it happen.
You saw it happen? You saw Ibe die?
Yes, I did.
Tell me, how did it happen?
Mazi, are you not going to give me seat or even cola? Give me cola now.
Diochi, are you here to eat cola? Eh? Or what? What if I had told you to go and show me where they killed Ibe? Would you have asked me about cola? Eh?
Sorry, don't be angry. Huh?
Not that I'm angry with you, but it's only that I want to hear about Ibe. Tell me about Ibe's death, if it is true.
Ibe called me to his house to help him trim some palm trees. And as I climbed the palm tree, before I started cutting, the children of Okoro and Nena came in to confront Ibe. And they killed him.
They killed him?
They killed him just like that.
So this suspicion is true.
Mazuzoka, I have never been as frightened as I was that day. My legs were shaking on that palm tree. And I thank God that I did not slip and fall. And they did not see me.
I'm still wondering, how did they kill him?
That one na invisible power. Because Ibe wanted to confront them, to deal with them. But they just pushed him to the ground. And he could not stand up again. They walked to him and started slapping his cheek. And then they twisted his neck. Then they walked away. That is it.
Dude, are you sure of what you are saying?
Is it possible to joke about grievous matters like this? I was the one that informed Ibe's people about his death. I only came here to tell you about the people that killed him.
But why are they killing people? Why are they killing people like flies?
Mazi, they said something before they killed him.
What did they say?
They accused him of partaking in the blood money that was given from the death of their parents.
Blood money? Which blood money? Who gave blood money?
Me, I don't know. But that is what I heard.
Anyway, Diochi, thank you very much for this information. Thank you. I will gather our people and give them the information. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you. But, Mazi, is it that you are trying to tell me now that I am not qualified to take cola nuts in your house? Because I don't know.
Diochi, it's alright. You are overqualified. Eh? Just a minute, I'll get you a cola.
Them see also, my wife. They saw us and they have gossiped.
Who saw us?
The palm tree climber and the tapper. Diochi saw us and he has gossiped. We won't allow them put our children in danger. We must act fast.
Who did he talk to? My husband.
Ozoka heard and is planning to send it abroad against us.
Then both of them must go.
As you are going now, personally, I'm going straight to Honorable's house. Because he must hear this. A snake seen by one person always turn out to become a python.
You are correct.
Huh? Let's go and let me go and give you legs. I have never seen somebody as good as Honorable. That's why I have always rooted for him. But it's all right. Okay. Bye-bye.
Biko, talk well with Honorable for me. And please, greet him for me, eh?
Don't worry, he will hear all those things. Eh? And even you yourself, you hear from me concerning our meeting. That's my meeting with Honorable. Eh?
Odino.
Yeah. You see that what I was telling you is finally the truth.
What were you telling me that is the truth?
That the two children of Maziokuru have hands in this killing going on in our community.
Uzoka, do you believe the story?
Honorable, why are you asking me this kind of question? Am I a small child? Eh? What I'm telling you is the truth and nothing but the truth.
That the two children of Maziokuru, Watete, are involved in the killings in this community.
All right, let me expand the story. I was in my house when Diochi came in and told me how he was on top of palm tree and saw the two children of Maziokuru came in and killed Mazibe by slapping him and twisting his neck. And then they walked away.
Uzoka, I'm finding it difficult.
Okay.
Finding it difficult to believe this.
Okay.
What am I going to do to those witchokways? Eh? What am I going to do to them?
Those chokways?
Yes.
They are small in size, but you don't know that they are mighty in their deed. Look, Honorable, I'm beginning to suspect that those children are no longer ordinary children. They have gone extraordinary.
Well, Zoka, I'm beginning to think like you.
Oh.
And in that case, I'm going to report to the police
Good.
immediately.
Now you are talking.
Immediately. Yeah. Hello? Yeah? Who is this? George. Dead? Where are you now? His house.
Honorable, what is it are you saying about Diochi?
Diochi, I wanna pay. Chai.
Honorable, can you find me something to disguise myself? I want to go back to my house.
The problem is size. Look at your size and mine.
I will manage it. I will manage it.
I
will manage it.
I will look for something. I will look for something. Good.
Piko, onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya nche.
Jay-Z! I be smart on the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the tank, so let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance.
Stop dancing! Hey!
My auntie, why did you tell us to stop dancing?
Somebody just died in this village, oh.
Who died?
You know Dioche, the tree climber. Eh? He just died though. He just died.
May he die and I died in the day die. May save Johnny. May go where?
Wait. Is that all you can say?
Now what you want me to talk now? I mean, Baba. Now continue. You go. Finish.
Chineke mere mercy.
What is it? Huh? Why are you laughing at me like that?
Look, Zoka, honestly, from a distance, you look like a drunken criminal.
Me?
Then on a close observation, you look like Ojuju Calabar.
Honorable, don't insult me. You know we are all trying to save ourselves. Huh?
Yes.
If you don't do that, you may be the next to go, to join your ancestors.
Yes. Are you afraid of editor?
Well, my brother, to tell you the truth, nobody knows where death will come from. Let me go home first. Even as I am going, I am very sure that if death passes me, it will not recognize me.
You are right. But please, when you get home, don't fail to call me to tell me of your self-arrival.
I will. I will. Continue your loving spirit. Honorable, sir, I'm a Juju Calabar.
I think I want to be a gun whip. I didn't go. Try. I got way over down here, baby.
It thought you have killed them all. No, you cannot kill the spirit. This is judgment day. You must pay for all your evil deed. No peace for the wicked.
You are not my target now. Come on, go.
But you cannot hide. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot hide away from them. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run away from their wrath.
These children. But what is wrong with these children? What is going on? Because I do not understand these children again, no? Eh? Hello, Daddy. That's what they said, though. They said they are not leaving this village. That they cannot leave their mother and father, Daddy. I don't know. Daddy, I think that's what I should do. Yes, sir. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow morning. If you go near the corner, hey!
My house? They go your house. One know whether they are in the day for house.
He's not around. He went to Azumiri to see his friend. I hope all is well.
All is well. I beg, if you come back, try and say we'll come find them, but we'll not sell. The children of Bazi Okoro of dead memory.
Dead memory. Ogano, I will tell him. My children, there's something I want to tell you people. In fact, let me say it the way you understand. Ona gari na village. If you walk around this village, muna dey careful. Evil people now plenty for this village. Many things that happen. I beg. My children. Oh yeah now. Ngwanu. Take care of yourself.
Afurunge, how are you?
Ade, I beg you get my load waiting for inside bush. I want make you help me carry.
Load? Inside bush?
Just down.
What load is that?
Na firewood. I want make you help me carry am.
Firewood? You don't even carry your size.
You see, I don't want make her carry today. Tomorrow again, I will come fetch firewood. I want make her carry everything together today. So that I no go come again tomorrow. I beg, go ahead for me, I beg.
Okay.
Let's go. No, we go.
I can agapa. I can't see any firewood here. Where is the firewood you're talking about?
I am the firewood.
But you told me there's no other person here except you.
Mazazindo, if you want to go to your house, may you drop message. Come see your wife for to say you know the house.
And what is the message all about? Is that why you brought me into this bush?
Baba, talk to him. You no follow for those who kill our papa and our mama.
What kind of nonsense and disrespect is this? Is that why you lure me into this bush? Are you not afraid of me?
Afraid of who? You. You. So you don't strong past the talks of Okanwe with discipline. Eh?
See, you little rat. If you don't get out of this place now, I will eat you people up. This sound like Okoro's voice.
Exactly. You were among those who killed us.
See, I'm not among those that killed both of you. I'm not among them.
They gave you money and you covered your eyes from the truth.
Today, you will join us in the land beyond.
Ah, you lie. Esia, you cannot do that. See, you cannot do anything. Nonsense. Hey,
For killing our mama and papa, you two will die. You go face the consequences.
It's time for revenge. Inflict harm and return. It's time for revenge. You have no place to hide. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run, but you cannot hide. These children are ready to avenge.
Hello? You know who get this phone? I see this number for this phone. You know who get them?
It is my husband's phone.
Okay.
Who you be?
I see your husband for road. He lie down there, you know the move. Be like say he don't die.
They joke, I mean, what did they talk?
I say be like say he don't die, Jackpot, he don't die. So, as it be so, you will come carry him. Come carry him, oh.
My husband! Where be the place?
Who's he?
Who's he? Okay, I come.
The era of fear is gone. Now they are.
What happened to Maza Zundu? Did he kill himself? Hey! Don't touch it. Hey! How could he have killed himself? Hey! With what I see here, it doesn't look like he has any wound. Hey! Don't touch. You are right, my dear. Hey!
Hey, my husband! Jesus! What did you say?
We don't know.
We don't know.
What did you say? Calm down.
Calm down.
It's okay. Hey, wait. Check. Bobo and Tata.
Bye-bye. If you come out, tell us. Reach your husband for us. Yes, sir.
So you are adamant you're not going to leave this village, yeah?
See, Auntie, what you be past adamant? We don't feel leave our papa and our mama for this house, like until all those people will kill them, pay finish.
Pay what? Eh? What are they paying and who are they paying to?
See, you know, say this thing, you don't go understand them now. Now, after later, you go understand them. You don't go understand them now when you go tell me.
Bobo. Tata. No. Hope is not what I'm thinking, no.
It's you they think. See, Auntie, know they think, oh. If you won't go, you dey go. No, they think before you turn to think a clopan.
Hey, God, you know I have tried. See, if anything happens to you in this village, I will not be blamed though, because I have tried. Nobody will blame me.
Bye-bye. And then, Auntie, if you dey go, make you know how you go. Take careful the waka for road this day. Because this village is very dangerous. You don't know the person where they go kill again. Bye-bye.
Make I dey go before night go meet me. Mona, take care.
Oh. Yeah, me will start the practice. Which one will dance now? Which one will dance? No, that's my coaster now. Oh yeah, start. No, come and sit down and put the music.
Come. No, na be Mazio Crow children.
Who na be? What na fight happen?
You two are being suspected of having hands in the death happening in this village. What's funny?
Una be funny na. Na. Una dey make us laugh. Una be comedian. Who dey sponsor una?
Come. Na police officer will be you. We think we come here come play with una.
We thought say you come here come play with us. Una want dance with us?
Are you sure these children are mentally okay?
You tell me mental. Nah. You come this house, you see small children where they enjoy themselves with the talk rubbish.
Officer.
You want dancing?
What is the talk?
Una dey craze? Come on, come with us.
I beg you, shut up. She say you fit dance my sir.
Una see the talk. Come with us.
Okay. Move. Wait, the dance for our mama and papa. Oh yeah. Well, they una go dance my sir. Nah.
Can you imagine? Move, my friend.
Don't worry, go wonder. Dance makosa. Nah. But calm down.
I don't understand.
La grande ici, mandibule la scène. Allez, toquer. Yalolo Swami.
Go like that. Everything what they wanna pray. As soon as they come out now, everything what happen here, una no go remember am again. Everything what happen here go clear for una mind.
Alema Fumba Miseni. Claude Ngoma Kosi. Mwana Bandala Kitoko. Kamioneto Mbola. Alembola. Arme Lourdes. Rajungoma SFR.
What is the problem?
Who is that?
Honorable, it's the police.
CID?
Yes, sir.
Actually, we are back to give you a seat, right?
Okay. Come in.
So how did it go?
Honorable, are you sure that place you sent us is the right place?
Because when we went there, we only saw 2 innocent children who are not capable of committing any crime. Actually, the reason why I'm saying this is because they are minors who are below the ambit of the law. And from my investigation, they are not capable of committing the crime, neither of thinking or executing anybody.
Officer, I had concrete evidence before I sent you to the place. Evidence to show that these children are culprits. And they are responsible for most of the deaths we have in my community.
Honorable, are you teaching us our job?
Not at all, not at all. I'm only trying to provide vital information to help the police solve the problem in my constituency. That's all I'm doing.
Honorable, we have to leave now.
Okay. Just wait a minute. Not until I've given you transport. Just 1 minute. It's not easy. That's it. For your transport and a little shopping.
Thank you so much, Honorable.
It's all right.
We promise you that our eyes will always be on you.
Trust.
Alright, we'll be on our way now.
Yeah, we will.
Thank you. See you later.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right. Police! Hey! Look at the policeman! What are those policemen have done to her? Hey! Police here! Police behind come, here, they are here.
Honorable, what is that again?
They are here.
Huh?
They are here.
Who's here?
The little children.
What?
Come and see things for yourself, Biko. Biko. Come and see things for yourself. They are here.
Where did they now? Should we say they here? Where did they?
Yes, they were here.
So how did they come? Because as we go, we didn't see anybody. We didn't see them.
When you people left, they appeared here.
As ghosts or apparitions?
No, they were physical. Njakri, go back. They were physical.
Honorable, I advise you go and take 1 bottle of beer and sleep. You need to rest. Huh?
Are you saying that I'm hallucinating?
Honorable, with all due respect, you're stressed out. I need to rest. Yes. Just do exactly what my colleague has told you to do and take a nap. I believe that's everything. You're going to be fine. Alright? Officer, let's go.
What kind of Ogrigada is this? Biko no? Eh? What have I put myself into in this village? And where are those policemen? I hope they have not gone. They suggested I should take a beer and rest my head. If it were when I was a bedroom tactician, I would have even gone to hire one equator with Kelek. But you see, the way women reach monopause is also the way we reach papapause. So no equator can help me now. Even the one with crossing belt leg.
Because you have power, because you have money, you are busy collecting what belongs to the poor. You are a wicked man, you are evil.
Officer, we think they worry this man.
Nah, I wonder. I think he's politically stressed out now. That's why he always sees apparition and fictitious images. You know now.
Maybe that may enter this man's head.
Which one be say make you no enter your head? The main thing be say Ido already pay us for rendering the services. So make you do the drink Panadol for Bessia because I no go follow you.
Abi?
Now. Let me go dey go, Joe.
Don't finish my mouth.
We don't finish now. Waiting again.
Yeah, that's all.
That was what they said before they left. Yes.
In fact, I am telling you that nobody will even believe our claims. That is where the whole thing is bad. Eh? They will even see us as trying to oppress the orphans.
You are very right. We are in trouble.
But Honorable, you are the one who put me into this trouble.
Me?
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
You know what I'm talking about. Was it not because of the land that we did what we did?
You and who did? What did we do? And what did you do?
Let's not go into that. It's a long story. Eh? But first and foremost, let us find how we will bring down these rats and get them out of our ways.
Now you are reasoning like Uzoka. I used to know. Leave that to me. There's no problem without a solution. Okay? I know what to do.
If you say so.
Yes. I got money. Oh, yeah, boss, on me.
Hey! We go finish them. I dey tell you, them very invested, they go look for love, they no go see us. I dey tell you. I can see everything turning around, everything turning around, everything turning around for our good. I can see everything turning around, everything turning around, everything turning around for our good. We can see everything turning around, everything turning around, everything turning around for our good.
Okay, Kiri, I don't sound a drug. Oh, again.
That is it, wise one.
Speak no more. The gods are wise. Your request is just a simple one. If you oil the palms of the gods.
The oil is not the problem.
Oh.
The problem is the results. Eh? So if you can help me achieve results, then you will know why I'm called Honor. Honor come.
I know.
Come. Egypt they go to come first anointing.
Oh!
Before the medicine.
Oh!
Eh?
Odogu.
This one is for Ntrodonkowa.
Oh! Listen, I heard the loud voice of the God saying, "It is done." Go home and rest and allow the God to do the rest.
Good.
Go home.
I'm going home. Not only to rest, but to sleep.
Bam.
With my 2 eyes closed.
Bam.
Just like you have directed.
Yes.
Okay.
Africa. Oh? Go home and rest.
Okay,
you will hear the result.
It's alright. It's alright.
It's alright.
I'm gone. Okay.
I'm not a baby. I'm not done. Don't do that. Pause. Azubra, sir.
Evil man. Sinners, they always run whenever they see something. Anytime when you see them, they go they run. Nobody they push them. See dog, they even back them. Na so, na evil man. Evil man. One day or bagide or that one no ago.
Uzoka. Mercy. Hey. Uzoka. What were you running from?
Oh, so you didn't even know why I was running. You started running with me.
Did I have a choice?
Oh, we also. All these Maziokro's children. I met them on my way coming. Then I have to escape for my life.
Oh, thank God. I ran after you. I was coming from Agreka where I went to consult him to help us against these children.
So what did Agreka say?
Well, he promised to do something quickly and decisively too.
But why all this while? Why didn't we remember about Agreka?
Well, personally, it's packaging for me because I was trying to do it in a way to seem as if it was government that dealt with them.
You see the result?
You know, so
the packaging with your safety. Huh? Nah, let Agreka, let him expedite action. Let him do quick before these urchins kill us like they killed others. Huh?
Yes.
Honor, yes. I was actually coming to your place to discuss same issue. What do we do?
What else? I got much in I can't. It is, we have to wait for Agreka. Huh? We have to wait for... Uzokoso!
Ndala.
Is that not a Okoro daughter? How can you pass me by without saying a word of greeting to me? Come Come back here quickly. Come back here! I said come back here quickly!
Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon. Are you not Okoro's daughter? Yes. There is something. There's something wrong.
What be that?
How can you pass an adult on the road without say a word of greeting to her? Eh?
Okay. You're the adult. Oh, sorry. Good afternoon, ma. Hi.
Because I call you back.
Sorry, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon.
Tata. I forgive you. But be careful. Tata, be careful.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma.
Oh.
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Okosiri onwe ya, the digital dibia with a resounding dibialistic brouhaha. And the Babaolik jingoism, the kaka gogo. Abara. Show me what's up. Will the man succeed in his quest to deal with those children?
Don't try am. Don't give them any hope because na the girl go deal with am.
Hey! Cha! Their laptop. When did you learn how to speak like Niger people and speaking pidgin English?
Boss, leave that thing. Don't be practice they make perfect. And when you go to room, you give like romance.
Abi, so you don't become Nigeria by induction?
Why not if not? I decided to come down to your level for better understanding of ourselves during transaction.
Transaction? Yeah. So now broken we go to use now.
You are in the spirit. And boss, don't forget to give me my own share before you travel.
Travel what? Travel. Sorry. Who told you that I'm traveling?
Point of correction. Please use pidgin English.
Hey! Oh, gee. Atom.
Are you speaking in tongue?
No, I'm talking to myself. Singing. Hi. Okay. I dey talk say who tell you say I want who tell you say I want travel?
Boss, you don't doubt my spiritual abilities. If you don't get it, you can forget about it. Just give my share.
Hey, keep my share. Anyway, no wahala. Now what we go do about that man? About the honorable? Yeah, no verse. Abeg, you don dey verse already. Abeg, no verse. May I go bring your own share? Come. Hey.
Why you stop? My mind dey tell me say person dey follow us. Person dey follow us what? I no see anybody. I don't know, but my mind just dey gossip me say the person wey dey follow us no be from this village. Make we reach where we dey go first. Na that one dey my lane. After that one, we fit find out who dey go first.
You thought you have killed them all. No, you cannot kill the spirit. This is judgment day. You must pay. for all your evil deed.
See your share, oh. Now your share with this.
No, 40%, no, not 20.
How do you know that the money is not up to 40%?
Pidgin English, please.
Hey! Ha. Oh, okay. How you take Sabi no say the money no reach 40%?
Because I dey for spirit. Ihe anyị na-eme egbu ihe emu.
Hey! Look at the laptop. Oh. Laptop, you don't speak Igbo. Hey, you don't speak Igbo.
Wetin man go do now? On wayo. And abeg go complete my money before them go reach.
Yeah, okay, me don't speak for parable. I don't understand this one. I go complete your money. Here. Hey. Your laptop, this your gragra don't do too much. Oh. Your gragra don't do too much. Oh. I don't understand though.
What is it? Which is good.
Now who na dey look for?
Before you come now.
Now what you go do for now?
I hear say your hand there for the people who kill our papa and our mama.
Who told you this?
You say, like the people did you now? Where did they use Jesus? Right? Toby.
I don't know what you are talking about.
Are you serious? You dey guilty. You dey guilty for the blood of our mama and papa. You don't know that one?
Yeah. By the verse. Before I closed my eyes and opened it, both of you, whether disappear or vanish, I don't know, but both of you would have disappeared or vanished for here. I know they're in a good mood though. Let me close my eyes. And my eyes are already closed.
Okay, open now, we'll never go.
You there? Balance like Balenciaga.
Open now. No, they get anywhere.
You're still there here.
You're still there
You're still there here. Okay.
Akrika, you just flashed my phone and I called you back. And you are asking me to introduce myself to continue. Well, this is Honorable Okam.
Dear Honorable Caller, the owner of this one has just passed on to the great beyond.
Akrika, what kind of prank is this? Pranks are for children. Why are you setting me up? Are you on my job? Akreka caught the phone on me after I paid him ego upon ego. Huh? Uzoka.
Honorable, have you heard the latest?
Heard what?
Akreka is dead.
Which Akreka?
The one you know, Akreka Nwadibia.
I just had a call with him now. And he was telling me that the owner of the phone had passed to the great beyond.
Honorable, are you sure it was Akreka you spoke with? Or was it the voice of one of those people who went there to see his dead body?
Uzoka, are you confirming the story?
Honorable, you don't know me with Eko Waja. Eh? I'm telling you the truth. Eh? Akreka is gone. Ujebego like others.
Hey, Uzoka, I'm afraid. I am now afraid of my own life.
The same thing with me here, my brother. Same thing with me.
Uzoka, please come to the house now.
All right, I'm coming right away.
What's going on?
It's time for avenge, inflict harm, and return. It's time for revenge. You have no place to hide.
Good afternoon, Sam.
Come, stop here. Now we dey greet Sama.
Sorry.
Hey, Ndala. Must do the loan. Nonsense. Let us go to Okama's place. Go in Cardinal look who his own. They go run for this village. They go run. They go die. They go run.
The era of fear is gone. Now they are out to inflict in return. There was well. Now they are indestructible, and nothing can penetrate them. You thought you have killed them all. No, you cannot kill the spirit.
What is it?
I saw those rascals as I was coming to your house to discuss the death of Akreka. I don't know why they are chasing me, following me all over the places.
Chedekwao, where did you see them?
Along the road.
Did they talk to you?
Yes, they did. They did talk to me.
And what did they say to you?
As a matter of fact, I was the one who spoke to them first, but it was under an influence beyond my control.
What did you say to them?
Honorable, you know that a man who is in trouble cannot control his actions all the time. Eh?
Yes. So what did you say to them?
I didn't know when I greeted those children.
You did what? You greeted them as to good afternoon?
With Ma attached to the greeting.
So, You greeted them, good afternoon, ma.
Honorable, I greeted them, but I'm sure it must have been under an influence beyond my control. Otherwise, I can't see how I, Mazi Uzoka, will open this my mouth to greet those midgets who cannot even stand before my children if they were alive.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't want you to start remembering your misfortunes. Otherwise, if your children and your wife did not die in that mishap, how would you ever, or how would these children be treating you this way?
Never! That's why our people say, proverb, that if a big tree falls, women will climb on top of it and then cut it in pieces and use it as firewood.
Yes.
Honorable, I was actually coming to discuss the death of Akreka with you before.
Yes.
I met them.
I'm now convinced, fully convinced that those children have a hand in what is happening in this land.
Honorable, even the villagers know. But everyone is afraid for his or her life.
But are we going to continue this way and allow them to keep terrorizing us?
To tell you the truth, myself, I have lost confidence.
Mbano.
I have lost hope.
Mbano. But how can you lose hope? Are you not a man? Are you not a community leader? If you lose hope, what would you expect your people to do? Let me get drink for us to forget this sorrow.
What can a man do? I think we need that drink now more than ever.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
These children, I can just kick like ball.
Okay. Why? I'm winning now. Yeah, play. Just the watch. My orange mouth is very. Play. Calm down now. Let me have it in my book. Okay. I say hold on now. Hold on. Pick 2. Continue. Pick 2. And last card. You don't pick 2. Yeah. I don't win. 200. Win this. I don't win. Why that one? Not be me they win. Not be me they win. Don't tire yourself. Even myself, I'm going to go. Okay. After I go continue. Boy, no say I don't win you for this. Not be me they win the other time. I'll forget that too. Hey.
Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, Oga Madam. Please, we are looking for the children that are living here with you.
Yes.
Are you not the one I'm talking to?
Let's say they be deaf and dumb.
Calm down. Alright, okay, sir. We are policemen.
Yes.
We are looking for the children that are living here with you.
Yes.
Please, do you in any way know their whereabouts?
Officer. Hey! Officer. Nagosu.
Nagosu.
Ghost.
Run. Hey!
I mean, they hear noise. No, they even don't say the policeman. No, they can't be. I don't know. Yeah. She still be spirit. Which kind of spirit? Let's you get with spirit. Oh, an African spirit won't come visit us. Why you won't come visit us? We be spirit. We get anything to do with spirit. Maybe not dream now. Which kind of dream? You don't sleep by that time. I never sleep.
Now go with that thing we will see for the house.
Boy, I don't tire. Thank God they don't even kill us. That one for worst.
You don't say what thing they want to say no to hear. I tell you say we will not go this investigation. You say no. Now you don't see her.
No verse. Thank you so much. I know they investigate again. I don't tire.
Oh, your report.
There was no suspicion about the children. You know now.
Yeah. Myself, I know one die. Because if I die now, nobody will take care of my children.
The main thing be say, thank God say we see their life. They no kill us. I beg.
Where we go?
Where would they go?
Hey. Hey.
I am ready. You are ready for what? Ready for action. To kill all our enemies with my bare hands. Uzoka, are you sure you are still seeing clearly? The way I see you now, you are upside down. God forbid. How can I, Uzoka, be upside down when I'm still standing on my 2 feet? Kitikbam. Eh? Yeah? Honorable. 1, 2. How come? You are the one who is seeing double. Eh? You are the one seeing double. What you call it, kettle black? It's okay. You better be going. Because I want to sleep. Yes, sleep. If you see those your girlfriends on the way, tell them that I, Honorable Okam, send my greetings. Okay. I think that's the best thing to do. I will go and start looking for them one by one at Mazioku's house, and then send your greetings to them. Yeah, Honorable, am I still Uzoka? Did you change your name? No, because I am thinking another thing in my mind. But another thing is coming out of my mouth. It's good. It's very good. It's very good because... Oh, don't laugh. That's what is happening. It's very good. Because it means you have double personality. It is called dual personality. Dual highway. Which is good though. It's good because if those girls see you now,
you will be two in their eyes. And they will not know which one. They'll be so confused to know which one to assassinate.
Ijiya, that's a nice one. I think this is the right time for me to go now that I'm double. So that if I meet them, they will kill the wrong one.
Let me go.
Where is my eye? Where are my eyes? My eyes.
Look for them. Look for them.
Okay, where is my eyes? Eyes or ISIS?
Look for your eyes.
My
They
eyes
can't be
have run
far.
away.
They can't be far from you. Have you seen them?
I have seen them. They were playing price because they were double personality.
Okay. I want to say farewell until we meet to part no more. Let me see. Uzoka one nigga. Uzoka boke bapu one nigga n'ike. Ojocha alamo tabuku ego Uzoka. Nketa rifokwara iko nigga nshi. Uzoka iko nigga kubukwe n'elu nkwụ. Uzoka nwayo gwao. Ojuju kalaba. This is the honorable gateway. Ojuju kalaba nwayo. This man want to begin follow. Honorable! Baba yo. I don't go. If we see, we see. If we don't see, we see. Ojuju kalaba. Ojuju kalaba. Ojuju kalaba.
My children, those who have soiled their hands on our blood, you must seek after and kill. You are doing well, but the two remaining ones you must make to confess before you send them to us.
Papa, if we can't finish the task, what will we can do again?
If you finish the assignment, call Nage and go and stay with her family.
Papa, how you want make we deal with the remaining two people?
If they submit themselves to you, do not harm them. But if they try to hide from you, seek after them and kill them.
I dream with this. You dream? I dream now. I dream where we sit down with Mama and Papa.
And Papa they tell us how we feel kill those people waking up.
At the same time, come tell us say after everything, after the assignment, we will go call and Nage. We no stay with them.
I hear that one. But why Mama they talk?
Maybe she dey vex for those people who kill am.
No, she no fit dey vex. Na respect she dey give Papa. How Papa go dey talk, Mama go dey talk. Check am now. Na respect she dey give Papa.
True. You say Mama na respectable somebody.
Yes.
Okay.
You respect somebody.
Okay. You say today na your turn to cook. You go cook na no job. Oh, go find something.
Ojuju kalaba. So Juju Calabar, this Bible says, the Bible says, give drink to anyone who want to perish. Not drink a kakai. Let him drink and perish. Eh? Oh, am I perishing? No, Mazuzoka will not perish. Who knows Mazuzoka?
Are you saying you're not seeing me? It is Uzoma.
Uzoma, my love. Uzoma, my love. Uzoma, my love. Farewell. Let me go and perish. But am I going to perish? I don't have pain. I will not perish.
Are you sure you're okay? This man is drunk. But I don't know him to be like this. Where is he coming from? He really loves me. He won't leave people alone with their problems. That's his business.
Where are they going? I don't know where Breeze carry us go there. Who go see Mazuzoka? No. If that one serious, now go to run like in the rabbits. I go suggest me you go see Okam. May you know what's in the plan. Only me, Abi. No, go see it. Yeah, now go. Go see it. No, no, just there for us in kitty. I go find something now. That's the big.
Now, how may I help you? This one you have remembered to pay me a visit. Okay, I saw you yesterday in a condition I have never seen you before. And I decided to come see how you have felt ever since then. You saw me yesterday. Where? You mean you don't remember seeing me? Uzoma, if I have seen you yesterday, why should I pretend that I didn't see you? Where did I see you?
Hey. Mazuzoka, I saw you on Uzeyi, but you looked like someone that is so drunk. I mean, your appearance yesterday wasn't good. You looked drunk.
Uzoma, the things that are happening in this village can drive a man into any kind of habit, including being tipsy from time to time. I mean, without a wife and the children, how can a man cope? And that is why sometimes you see, I'm all over you. I understand. Mazuzoka. Yes. Anytime you need anything, don't hesitate to call me. Okay? I will always be there for you. You know, right now, I'm all alone. No husband, no children. So I think your prayers has finally been answered. Uzuma, anytime you begin to sound like this, I begin afresh to regret why I didn't marry you.
You don't have to. You don't have to regret. It wasn't your fault. Your parents never wanted us. They insisted that we will not get married. Look at where we are now. Single and available for each other.
Osuma, you never cease to be a kind-hearted woman. Eh? But now, is there a possibility of me marrying you now?
In Ajukwaju. You can never cease to amaze me. Look at you. Are you asking? Have you forgotten how I used to call each other our names? Then you used to call me Uzum.
Uzum.
Then I used to call you Uzum.
Yes, that's your road. I'm your road, then you are my joyful noise.
Even now.
Hey. Yes. So, Uzum, you just came at the right time before I have ruined my entire life. Eh?
See, let's not talk about that. I will always come and keep you company. Really? Okay? Yes. So I will always come and keep you company, help you do some house chores.
What will I tell my friends and other people who will ask me about you?
Tell them that you hired me as your house help just to keep me busy because I lost my husband.
Hey, you never cease to be this wise. Eh? That's all you I remember. Very clever. Eh? Oh my God.
Only like me.
Hey.
Uncle Kibo.
Indeed. You are not Torotoro. You are not agriculture.
Meanwhile, can I start my house help child now?
Why not if not? Eh? If I let me go and show you around inside the house.
No, you see, they said they found nothing incriminating on the children. And that they are too minor to be associated with crimes like murder and all that. Oh, that one, that one died as soon as I paid his fees. Go for that matter. Yes. I gave us, I have a work. Hello, Uzoka.
Honorable Ogene, why are you not talking?
Is this evil children? No.
Who?
The devils that have been tormenting us.
Hey, did they touch you?
No. One of them just appeared and disappeared.
Appear and disappear. Have they become ghosts?
Joami, where are you?
I am in my house.
Please, come over to my house, please. Let's discuss.
Mbao, do you want them to catch me on the way?
Hey, oh drop, call, oh. Hey! Drop, call, this man is too afraid for my liking. Eh? What is all this? Oh. Eh?
I don't give you. I don't give you. I don't give you. Give me that bread now, man. For your mind now, you move finish. She say you want to use this cutlass. Cut this bread. I bring bread. I use this cutlass because no, they complain. I know they give you this bread. I know go give you. If you want to cut this bread, go kitchen, go bring better knife. Because I don't know why you don't get sense. No, they behave like village boy. You not gonna give me this bread. I know they give you. You know true get sense. You be move. Yes. You know what you say? If I use this big cutlass now, cut this bread now, you go be equal and you go benefit person. You see what I say? You know wise. You be mumu. Go bring knife. Me will use cutter. If you know the cutter, I go chop am alone. Oh, guys, see this knife. Then I go use cutter. Oh yeah, I like it or not. Then we say you no want chop bread now. We no go chop am. Everybody go just yes for this place. No go chop this bread. Choka mi bumado. Because my sister. Oh fear. Nobody to chop am. This I no get sense. See your small brain. This I no get sense. Oh, this I go enter inside now. Before I come out now, you go chop the bread. So I don't know. You don't get sense. You don't get sense at all. So for your mind now, if you finish this bread, will big pass you. Nah. This bread will be like you. This I go finish am. Go now. You will be small, but my small body big engine. Nonsense. Oh yeah, now. No wait. No even chop that bread because I won't go bring am. I dey look you. My eyes are on you. No chop that bread though.
Hey, what's up? You too like fresh food.
Now, so that I will look fresh like you.
Awesome, let me run along, so that I'll come back on time and prepare food for you.
Please, Ozoma, don't waste time. Don't want to die of hunger.
Ozoma, you will not die of hunger. I will come back on time, okay? So, go inside and rest, so that I will come back very soon and make food for you to eat.
Go eat. I won't go. I will stay here to make sure you come back in time.
Okay, keep on standing. Remain here. Don't go inside. Remain here. You like your fresh food. Remain here. Don't go inside.
So I will look fresh like you. Ozoma. Wonderful and joyful noise.
My mind dey tell me say this one big pass my own.
No big anything. Nonsense. See, I'm not the same thing.
See, no dey equal. You know dey equal.
So what is that title?
I want measure am. You know dey equal.
I take measure. Come on, say equal. See, now equal. You know they say now equal. They give me a bread.
Why you come with that saying?
Because your eyes too big. You die.
I don't go chop my own now. Make I go cook am. If you finish the assignment, I go use am cool body.
I don't hungry.
I owe you. Make I go keep my own. If you finish your own, if you come back, we go rest. I know.
Right after the assignment, I'm going to go to the factory. You take it.
Don't go kill yourself, oh. No, they look me. Chop better food, though. See, you want to cover your own too.
This is the best thing. Yeah, that's my first one. My own day for inside now, no.
Now the difference with that.
I'm back. This man, you're too stupid. I told you to go in and rest. You insisted on staying here. Okay, now I'm back. I'm back. I'm sorry now. I know you're too hungry. See, I'm back from the market. Let's go in so that I'll prepare something for you to eat. Okay, I'm very sorry if I stayed long. You know how it is in the market now. Obio. Obio. Jesus. Jesus.
Oh my God! That's so wow. Don't happen, no. Don't happen to say don't. Hey, one man down, one more to go. That's so. Hey, Ngwangwa. Papa and Mama go dey happy for us because of what you done did. And then give us the power now. Yes. The Buddha. But now, you go to share for Nazi Utaka.
Yes, so people go down there now, they cry, they curse us.
Not us, they curse. They know who do the thing. They know who they cause the wahala for this community. They don't know now. If you know one more person, what's with that person? Haha, everything don't settle now. This person just calm down. Long life and prosperity.
Happiness of our parents, choose. Sadness of our enemies, choose.
That woman, there's nothing that woman will tell me. She has a hand in Mazuzoka's death. In fact, she killed him.
How do you know that she's the one that killed him?
What I say? It's crystal clear. It is so obvious. Fine. What was she doing in his house? Is she the wife? Who is she to him?
I don't know.
That woman has a hand in Mazuzoka's death. In fact, she killed him. And I'll make sure that she's dealt with.
I don't know, but...
That woman is a witch. She's a witch! She killed Mazuzoka, and I will make sure that she's dealt with. Me, Ikedi, I will make sure that woman is dealt with. Let's go. Let's go. Open Madu. Very foolish woman.
If these children are executing all these atrocities, then we're in trouble. If you allow these people, they will ruin my political ambition in this constituency. But I will not allow them. But then, it is one who is alive that talks about strategies. He who fights and runs lives to fight again. I know what to do. Hello? Hello? This person is not talking. Ikonia Mwane Lunia. Eh? What is all this?
Oh, funny, call Tata! Baba! That's the neck is here. Ew. What are you eating? How are you? Carry. I miss you people. Hey, Tata! What have you been eating? Bang. See these children. You are looking.
If you fail to lick your lips, the Hamadan wind will do it for you. By the time they know what is happening or coming ripple out from this village, only to come back when things must have calmed down. And when I come this time, I will enter that land and I will enjoy it forever. Hey, give it here, Pele.
So we not go feel leave this house. I want to leave this house now. No fit.
Dada, my husband sent me here to come and get you. And you're telling me you no fit follow me?
We not fit follow you. Lie, you no go work.
Why won't it work?
Because we never finish the work where our mama and papa said they would do. Bam.
What work? Huh? What work? I'm asking, what work?
But I mean, you know, ask you.
What won't I ask you?
We not fit tell you.
I need you to tell me, what work are you doing for your parents? You know they talk again?
That I just tell her. She be her aunt. I'll trust her. No tell anybody.
Shut up.
No tell
Me
anybody.
No
tell anybody. Oh. That I tell her. Auntie.
Again.
You know those people who kill our mama, papa. What do you call those?
Shut up. How am I supposed to know the people that killed your papa and mama?
By we telling you.
Yeah, you tell me.
I bet Tata continue. You know where that honorable, that man what they call honorable, and all those men, all those people where we don't kill.
Wait. What did I hear?
Kill now. Oh.
You killed?
It shock you. Oh, it shock you. Yes, now they killed our papa and our mama because of their land. And we still get assignment to retaliate against them. So the assignment is Chibok.
Chimo? Wait. Do you know this is against the law?
We shall be against the law. We not do anything. I better leave that thing. Calm down. Then they don't say they're against the law before they kill.
Listen, do you know that God said that shall not kill?
Then we don't kill our parents instead.
Shut up, parents!
I bet then they supposed to say that one. You go one to my mind. If you do me, I do you. God no go vex.
Wait. Do you know that the government can come against you?
May they come against those people who kill our parents for our parents. May they go against them. Why you vibrate? Killing no be new thing. See Tata, we don't waste our time. We don't go finish assignments. No, go finish. Auntie, no worry. Nothing will happen. No, go finish our assignments. We'll come back. Well. Baba, no go do. No go out.
Hey! Well, it's not getting them. These children, they are no longer innocent.
Now they're undestructible, and nothing can penetrate them. You thought you have killed them all. No, you cannot kill the spirit.
So, as it's been now, no see now only you there. Waka go there now. So make you just go there, go run the things. No allow her make you go. Go no as you go take to and make you hold on for that place. Make you know. I know what to do. I go just there around there arrange some things. Yeah, go do now. So we say now only you go there.
You can only run, but you cannot hide. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run away from them. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run away.
No try more. Show you one on Abi.
What is this?
I'm over with this. Shop.
Hey, please. I have a lot of money here to give you.
Man, so you want bribe die? This money you won't give me now. You go bring back my pa and my mama where you kill.
Honestly, I did not kill your parents.
Well, you pay people work on killer. You even use your money, shut others up.
Hey, look, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I paid the man, Lucas, who came to ask for the land. And it was also my dogs that killed your parents. And I paid the elders to shut them up. And it Uzoka was my partner in crime.
Now, you will pay with your life. Go down.
What?
I said go down!
Wait. Boy, what just happened now? So these children have been innocent. But because of this singular act, we need to arrest them.
Honorable is dead.
Don't worry, we need to arrest the children. Let's go to their house. Let's go.
What a world with wicked people everywhere. They are busy collecting what does not belong to them.
Go, Tata.
The fast!
At the age there, just go. Peacefully, just go. Peacefully follow them. People.
Because you have power, because you have money, you are busy collecting